How to fix "this page isn't available right now" error on Facebook. So if you want to fix "this page isn't available right now" error on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application and tap on the app info. Now under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And once you cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to open up your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Facebook, then you just need to simply go and update and relaunch your Facebook and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then tap on uninstall, which is right here, and again install it from your Play Store and log into your account and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you need to check if you have been blocked or not. Make sure that the other person has not blocked you, or make sure that you've not done anything like privacy concerns or community guidelines like that, and make sure that you've not been blocked on Facebook. And the other thing you need to check is your internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then it says "this page isn't available right now." So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Like if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi. And if you're using your Wi-Fi, you need to switch to your mobile data and reload your page and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix "this page isn't available right now" error on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.